Welcome. I'm Cassidy Cash. This is That Shakespeare Life, and it's time for Weird Word Wednesday. This week, our word is araise. It comes up in Shakespeare's play All's Well That Ends Well, when Le Fou says, "Whose simple touch is powerful to araise King Pepin, nay, to give great Charlemagne a pen in its hand, and write to her a love line." Now, araise means to raise something up, and you can erase anything, but this particular version of to raise something up talks about raising someone from the dead. In this scene, a courtier is praising Helena for her miraculous healing abilities. They're talking about how she has such potent abilities that she could not only bring King Pepin back from the dead, but even more impressively, she could bring back Charlemagne and completely change his personality into somebody that is not this ruthless war hero, but is wanting to pick up a pen and write love letters. Now, historically, King Pepin and Charlemagne were famous medieval kings. Pepin was famous during Shakespeare's lifetime, although his legend was paled in comparison with Charlemagne, who was known as being a great emperor of the Holy Roman Empire. So bringing Pepin back from the dead would have been amazing, but Charlemagne writing a love letter would have been even more powerful thing to accomplish, because Charlemagne was known for being this mighty emperor, military political figure. He was definitely a fighter, not a lover, to, reverse Michael Jackson there. It wasn't this nice poetic dude. So if he came back and started wanting to write love letters, well, that just shows you how awesome Helena really is. And that's what that line is designed to impress upon you, is the greatness of Helena. So there you go. Now you have one more word you can add to your Shakespeare vocabulary and be just a little bit smarter. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I'm Cassidy Cash, and I hope you learned something new about the Bard. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.